Hi, I'm Daniel Bornstein, co-founding partner with the law offices of Bornstein and Bornstein. For those of you who are real estate agents or investors in San Francisco, so much news this year. Looking at the end of 2014 to 2015, we need to be aware and familiar with upcoming legislation that is going to have a significant impact on whether you are an owner, a tenant, or someone in the real estate community. In particular, short-term leasing. If you haven't watched the news, be advised there's legislation that's been passed that will regulate how and under what conditions you can engage in short-term rentals in your units. Further, if you have a tenant, there are rules and regulations prohibiting or permitting a tenant to have short-term rentals in their unit. Be advised, if you have a good lease agreement and you do not have or have given a tenant permission to engage in short-term leasing, you can prohibit it. Contact our office. We are happy to assist you in enforcing your right to prohibit a short-term leasing of your rental unit. Another regulation seemingly about to be enforced in San Francisco is a new buyout regulation regime. Whereas in the past we've been able to do buyouts relatively easily and in 48 hours have a signed, executed, enforceable agreement. Now it's a little bit more cumbersome, and including the very real problem with this. Buyout agreement regulation will permit a tenant a 45-day rescission period, which means the tenant can enter into a formal buyout agreement, but in 45 days reject and rescind their obligations arising out of the agreement. This is very important and very cumbersome. I suggest now contact our office to discuss this so I can provide you the proper regulatory framework so you understand the rules and regulations in engaging in a buyout discussion with tenants in San Francisco. Bornstein and Bornstein, happy to help you out.